much. I appreciate you watching this video, okay? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Today's look is gonna be a little prom look. We're gonna do a little glitter. Beginners can also go ahead and, of course, step in, do this look, attempt it, try it. And if you do try it, let me know. If you're a real beginner, comment down below and let me know what you think of this look. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it and get this beat going. All right, so I've already cleansed my face, I've moisturized. I'm gonna go in with my primer. I'm gonna go in with Formula 10.0, 10.06, 10.0.6, 10.0.6 Formula. Seriously Shine Free Mattifying Oil-Free Moisturizer. I've used this before. I love it. I really do. And so we're just gonna put this on, especially in the place where I get a little oily, my T-zone area. So for this look, for the eyebrows, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil. This is in the shade Granite. And of course, we already know, as long as we have our brows cleaned, whether it be wax, whether it be threaded, razor, however you get your eyebrows done, get them done. It makes it much easier. It makes it easy breezy. I'm gonna go in with the pencil and just underline right where your eyebrow is. And I don't overdraw my brows because I do have a decent amount of brows.
Okay. Darker, look a little messy, but that's okay. Y'all know we got that magic concealer, so no worries. Going with the second brow.
So I could darken the eyebrows a little, and I may later on, but to move on with this process, I'm gonna trust the process. I'm gonna go in with my NYX palette, the contour palette, in deep, and we're gonna go ahead and clean these brows up, make them look a little nice and sharp. So with that same palette, I'm gonna go ahead and base my eyelids, get it ready for color.
We have our eyes done, eyebrows about 85%. We may go back in and touch up there later on. I'm gonna go in with the crayon case, the matte book. And for today's look, why am I holding brushes? Like, I'm ready, right? I'm ready.
So I'm gonna be using this purple and this blue. I'm gonna be using these two. I'm going to start with this light purple as a transition, and then I'm going to go in as a crease color to give me a little depth in my crease here for those two. Those are two we're going to be using. With the Morphe M124, we're going to go in with this light purple first. with a clean M124, same Morphe brush, and I'm gonna go into that blue that I showed you earlier, and I'm gonna go right underneath this purple. It's gonna go right in the middle. We need a little depth going on here. Okay, so we have our two colors packed on really nice. I'm gonna go in with a Sigma airbrush blender. This is the Sigma F563, and I am going to blend out these rough edges, and also I'll clean a brush with one of these little gadgets, and then I'm gonna go in and just not over blend but softly blend this blue so that it can look like it's a nice smooth transition. Let's get to blending.
I want them to stay in their rightful place, you know what I'm saying? So if you see me doing like this, I'm cleaning the brush.
Have our eye nicely blended for right now. Trust the process. I'm gonna go in, gonna do a little cut creasing, and I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas, and this is in the shade Edge. This is still setting. I'm gonna go in with that dark blue and just blend this out on the edges, on the ends right here. The glue that I'm going to use for the glitter to make sure it sticks, I'm going to go in with the Super Stronghold. Who is it by? I Envy. Super Stronghold I Envy.
I'm gonna try to use this liner. It's just a regular black liner to line up. Okay, so we finished one eye. I'm gonna go through and speed this through, and we're gonna go ahead and complete our second eye. We're gonna do the same exact thing, what we did on this eye to this eye. We have our eyes about 90% done. So we're gonna go in, go with our face. Of course, we're gonna go back to the eyes, touch them up a little here and there, add a little finishing touches. But let's go ahead and move on to the face. We've already primed. We primed with the Formula 10.0.6. That's the mattifying primer. I'm gonna go in and color correct, and this is LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color orange. We're just gonna try to cover up these blemishes. Don't act up. There we go. It's too much.
Foundation, we're gonna go in with Maybelline. This is Maybelline 365 in Warm Coconut, and this is the Dream Mousse formula, and this shade is in 130 Cocoa.
Okay, we still trusting the process, right? We still trusting the process, right? Alright, I'm gonna go in with Makeup Revolution C12, C13. Do this highlighting.
We have blended out our highlight. We're gonna go in and set under our eyes, where all the places that we have highlighted, so that we won't crease. And of course, I do not bake. I just set, and I'm not gonna add too much because, of course, we don't need no flashback. And this is the Black Radiance Golden Almond Soft Focus. Go in with our Queen Collection Ebony in the shade Ebony. CoverGirl, bring back some color and definition and depth to our face.
And we just want to make sure we blend this out. You can't be looking like this. Let's blend.
So for the rest of this video, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna touch up my eyebrows. They can use a little touching up. I may add a little brow powder to them, and make sure we use our spoolie to brush through the product through. We don't need any boxiness, and I'm gonna smoke out my bottom lid. Add some mascara, okay, and then of course we gotta use the blush. Anyway, we're almost done. Stay with me, okay? I'm just gonna fast forward this, and I'll be back. Is we did this look. I think it's a very nice glam prom look. The blue contrast and all. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Make sure that you come back for the next video. Make sure that you like it, comment, subscribe. Like it, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much. Until next time, I will see you later.